Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about piecewise functions. So now I will show you how to answer. We have two intervals in here. The first one and the second one. We see that on the first one we have this function and the second one we have this function. But if we look carefully about this interaction, they start from b over 4 and they stop up at 2b over 3. So for this one, we will have two iterations in here. The first one, we have the iteration from b over 4 to b over 3. And that's about this one. And the second one, we have the iteration from b over 3 to 2b over 3. That's about this one. And I will put about the s. Now I will go to this one. So about cotangent s, we change by cosine s over sine s to the power of 3. Similar for this one, but we need to change into 1 over sine s to the power of 3. Now if we simplify and we have cosine s to the power of 3 over sine s to the power of 6. About this one, we can put into cosine s square multiplied by cosine s. So we have about the formula in here. Sine s square plus cosine s square equals to number 1. So because we have cosine s square, so I will put this one go to the right. And we have 1 minus sine s square. And I will put this one to change by this one. So I need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to sine s. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. So we have the u equal to cosine s ds. Next, we need to change the bounds. So when s equals to b over 4, we put b over 4 going here to find the value of u. And we have u equals to the square root of number 2 over 2. When s equals to b over 3, so we can find the value of u. And we got about the square root of number 3 over 2. So b over 4 we change by the square root of number 2 over 2. This one we change by this one. Sine s we change by u and we have u square. Similar for this one. Cosine s ds, that's about this one, we change by du. This one, we have 1 divided by u to the power of 6 and u squared divided by u to the power of 6. We have about u to the power of negative number 6 minus u to the power of negative number 4. And now we have the final answer. That's about negative number 6 plus 1 over negative number 6 plus 1 minus u to the power of negative number 4 plus 1 over negative number 4 plus 1. And we put the bounds from the square root of number 2 over 2 to the square root of number 3 over 2. This one we have negative number 5. Negative number 5. This one is about negative number 3. Negative number 3. And now we put the value cone here. So I will put this one gone here. And here. This one we put in here. And here. Now we simplify. And here is about the answer. Now we go to the second one. About this one, we can apply the formula in here. We have cosine A sine B equals to 1 over 2 of sine of A plus B minus sine of A minus B. So we need to apply this formula for here. And this one we will have about 1 over 2 sine of A plus B. 5 with 3 you got about AS minus sine A minus B. So 5S minus 3S you got about sine 2S. And now we have the final answer. The integration of sine AS, we have negative 1 over 8 cosine AS. The integration of this one, we have positive 1 over 2 cosine 2s. And we put the bounds from b over 3 to 2b over 3. And now we have the final answer. So I will put this one gone here and here. This one gone here and here. So we got the final answer. You got about 0. So the final answer we need to find, that's about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.